Hi guys, I am Hitesh and today I am here which is with this product which is Toons Hub, and now this product, what problem this product will solve. Actually, this is a creature maker, okay, so that you can create some different type of the creatures. You can create so many animation videos, okay, you will be completer of whiteboard videos and all these things you can just do just because of this. And one more special thing what you can do, I am telling you right now, you can start business in gaming industry. Okay, you can sell some creatures directly to the gaming creators. Directly you can put your directly you can put your creators on some websites, and directly you can sell for more. Okay, and just because of that you can create so much profits and revenue. So that will be a completely different thing, and I'm just going to show you live how to do that. Okay, gaming business and how to put your creators, something like that. Okay, I will just show you right away. So this is what many things you can do. I'm here coming again, which is member access area. I will show you the complete member access area, but before that we will see and discuss what type of the problem you are going to solve just because of this product, which is Toons Hub. So you can see this is fully cloud-based system, means you can create unlimited cartoon characters, creatures, 3D characters, creatures, and you can just store them on the internet. Generate and customize unlimited 3D cartoons characters for your project. So just because of using these creatures and using these characters, you can say whatever. You can use this for your business, for your marketing business, for your video sales. Actually, many people are using right now video marketing, so that you can use these created creatures and characters for making videos, for marketing videos. So just because of this, your video will be too much attention grabbing in compare of another videos of, or in compare of your competitors videos and something like that. Okay, so you will be actually able to beat the competition just because of this. And not only to beat the competition, guys. Okay, you can completely start your own business in gaming industry. You can do the character flipping. Okay, not even flipping, you can directly create your character from here and you can sell it for more. Okay, how to do that, I will tell you each and everything. Okay guys, so this is member access area. I'm just going to show you the how to do that each and everything in member access area, and later I will show you the live demo how to use these creatures for gaming business, actually business in gaming industry. Okay guys, so just let's and start this one, and then we will decide. Okay, we will see those other things. Okay guys, it is just taking too little bit time, but right now just is going to start, and you can just see here. This is actually member access area. Okay, when you go pick up front end, it will look like this. Okay, so this is dashboard. Some different options are available in front of you directly. Some options are available here also. So when you click on characters library, so here you will get some done for you characters. Okay, so you can select some categories like men, women, okay, something like that. You can go and you can just select some colors also, like white, brown, and okay, so I go with anyone. So okay, so out of them you can select anyone. You can download, and you can just add to your list. Okay, to the future users. Now you can generate some characters directly. Now female and male. So just create. You can just click according to you. Okay, and you can just download also your created creature. You can see here, which is already done for you, which is already available inside of this memory. But no worry, you can just upload your own photo. Okay, any type, and you can just create some characters, but I will show you right away. And you can just download this one from here. You can regenerate so that you can make some changes also. Okay guys, from here now you can come here, favorite, download, remove, whatever you can do. Much options are available, all options are available. Now this is the point which I'm going to show you. So you can just upload from here. Okay, any photo which you want to convert into the characters or creatures. Okay, and just by uploading you will see the results within some time. Okay, and just you can put this type of the things for selling also. Okay, so you can just directly start business in gaming industry. You can contact the gaming creators. Okay, and if they love your creators, okay, they will buy from you because they are creator. Okay, they are gaming creator. Okay, they are not software developer, but yes, coding is see. That is how you will see the conversion, okay, from this to this. So this is the normal pic and that is the converted characters. Now you can go for animal and you can just load more and you can just pick one of them. Okay, actually too much complete library is available, you can see. Okay, you can go for videos also, so that you can create, actually you can make some create character wise animated video. Okay, so this option is available for that. So you can see here right now. Okay, you can select the picture quality from here. Actually each and every option is available for you guys. Okay, so that your work will be too much impressive and attractive. Okay, because work qualities matter too much, okay, nowadays. So this is vectors, you can go for animals or whatever you can go for. Okay, so just because of vectors, okay, these options are coming in front of you. You can select one of them and you can just use this for your work. Okay, guys. So actually, member access area is too much easy. Okay, when you will pick up this product, you will learn each and everything. Okay, each and everything video and each. Actually, you will get complete access, complete training. Okay, so I don't think I need to tell you each and everything. Okay, so this is a little bit demo. Okay, you can play around with this all buttons. Okay, this is video editor. All these options are available to play. All these options are available to play here again. Advanced video editor is available. Okay, mix and all these things options are available. You can just select your industry. According to your industry, you can create animated videos. Okay, to beat the competition, and this is support. Okay guys, so lastly you can go with this. So okay guys, I'm done with this right now. So now I am going to tell you, so this is member access area completely done. Okay, all these features which I already mentioned here, you can just go and you can read here. Link is available in the description. You can go through the link below. You can completely understand each and everything. Okay, commercial license, complete designing suits, all these options are available. 1 million ultra HD stock videos, guys. Too much things are available. 20K vectors. Even you can create your own creatures or character by uploading your pic. Now, guys, I'm just telling you each and everything. Okay, so I told you what you can use your characters for animation posters, for animation videos, which you will use for your business, which you will use for your marketing. Okay, something like that. Okay, you can easily use to beat the competition, because if you go outside for animator video, for animation video creator tool, you have to pay much amount for that. You have to make it is possible to pay monthly. So guys, okay, for example, if I create any creatures, okay, so guys, these are some websites. Okay, I'm telling you just for showing, just for example purpose. Okay, some okay, let me open. It will take little bit time, but you have to wait if you want to know all these things. Okay, so this is game, guys. This is the name you can see, which is Chicken Derby. Okay, and this is the website you can see with Lovins and Bezlers. So you can actually, what gaming flippers generally they are doing. Okay, they generally buy any creatures. Okay, right now here chickens are available. Okay, because this is chicken games, that is why. So you can just buy from, actually gaming flippers, what they do, they generally buy chicken from here for low amount. Okay, and they come here. Okay, this is OpenSea.io website, and they generally put same creatures or character, what you can, whatever you can say, on this marketplace, which is OpenSea. Okay guys, so actually you have to just understand each and everything, and just you can put here on auction. Okay, now it's loaded. Okay, you can buy from here also. You can just put your all any type of the creatures or character for more on auction. You can see here. Okay, this is the price in cryptocurrency. Okay, this cryptocurrency, but I'm just showing you in cryptocurrency. But there are too much websites are available where you can directly work, or you can directly go for digital money, dollars, something like that. Okay, so this is the this actually this website is working very well in crypto industry. Okay, so but I'm just showing you this example. Okay, for example purpose. Okay, I just wanted to give you some ideas. Okay, so generally people are buying from somewhere, they are purchasing some from somewhere for low margin, for low amount, and they are just selling it for more. Okay, by using this type of the option, you can see here some new on auction has offers. You can buy now from here also, but they don't do like that. Okay, so just because of this tool, okay, I'm not telling you each and everything in deeper. Okay, I'm just showing you the overview. Just because of this tool, you are already getting this type of the option. You can create videos, you can create animated videos, so that you can use in your business marketing to beat the competition, something like that. You are already getting this type of the functions, but main thing is you can directly start business in your gaming industry, guys. Okay, you can directly create characters, you can directly create creators, you can directly contact with the gaming creators. Okay, if someone like your characters or creation, they will buy from you. You can do that also, and also you can do some gaming flippings also, actually creature flipping also. And just because of this type of the website, you can go for more websites. Okay, generally you can go for more website, you can list your creature or character there, and generally you can put on auction. Okay, so actually you are not buying from somewhere, people are buying. Okay, people are buying something from this type of the website. See, people are purchasing from here and they are putting on list for more amount, but you don't have to do that, because just because of this tool you are going to create any creature for free. Okay, so you have to go for this one time amount. Okay, and just you will be able to do all these things. Okay, creatures, characters, you can create directly from your PC or computer or laptop, from your any type of the device. Okay, guys, so this is Marvel DC. Okay, Marvel Disney, you already know. Guys, people are, I'm telling you one more thing, people are already buying from Marvels also. Okay, actually nowadays generally people can buy creatures and characters from Marvel directly. They buy and purchase from here, and again they come here on this website and they put here again for more amount, guys. Okay, so can you relate what I'm telling you? Okay, I hope you are able to relate. You can do some business also in gaming industry, because you are working in creatures, characters, you are creating cartoon characters. Okay, so in cartoon industry, okay, I hope you are getting my point. In cartoon industry, in gaming industry, you can go and you can start selling something. You can start your business also of the gaming flipping, creatures, characters flipping, something like that. Okay, so just because of this tool, this opportunity is going to open for you right now. Okay, guys, so I'm done from my side, guys. Okay, let me show you some of my bonuses. You can go through the link below. I'm just providing you super bonuses this time. This is affiliate cash monster. Just because of this product, just because of this product, you will be able to learn how to do selling and all this type of the things. Okay, on online marketing, online selling. Okay, when you will be perfect, just because of this tool, you can do any type of the business in gaming industry also. Okay, for your creators or characters. Now this is viral traffic ninja, so that you will be able to get high level of traffic. So just because of this, you will be able to do business with gaming characters and creators. Okay, guys, some more bonuses I put for you. Okay, you can just put your CPM marketing offer. If you are creating landing page or if you are creating website, so you can just put your this type of the link. So again, you will make some more profit and more money. Okay, so these are actually Google AdSense. Actually, guys, too much bonuses I'm coming right now. Okay, with too much bonuses I'm coming. You can just go through the link below. You can read each and every bonus. You can understand by your own mind. Okay, and I hope from my side I'm done each and everything, and I hope you could be understood each and everything what this product is going to provide you. This is completely a different product. This is completely from for different industry. This is not same like internet, online business, affiliate marketing, do this, do that. This is not completely like that. This is little bit a different, and definitely it can be too much powerful for your journey, guys. Okay, for your good growth in your journey. Okay, guys, so I'm done from my side. We'll meet with another masterpiece, and we'll meet later with another masterpiece. Till then, thank you, guys. Bye.